What's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make dough for pot pies. This is my go-to recipe for any savory pie that I make: chicken, shrimp, spinach. If you actually want a nice recipe for a shrimp pot pie, just click on the link above. Let's go for a list of ingredients. 2 cups of white flour, half a cup of oil, half a cup of water, and half of a teaspoon of salt. I have my mise en place ready, and we're going to blend. I brought the KitchenAid in. If you don't have a KitchenAid, I highly recommend getting one. We're using the hook. Here is the 2 cups of flour, half a cup of water. If you're wondering about my ceramic bowls, you know I always use them. They're adorable. I will put the link on the description below that I get my pottery from. This was my salt. And now we're just going to blend it in together until it's an even dough. It looks like the dough's ready. So I like this recipe because not only calls for simple ingredients, I mean, you would have this in your pantry at any time, but it's very easy to make and it's practical because you don't need to refrigerate it. You can start opening the dough right now, or if you do want to make it ahead of time, you can prep, leave it in the refrigerator, and then just open when you're ready. The easiest way I found to roll out this dough is by using 2 pieces of plastic wrap. And you're just going to cut it a large piece. I like to leave it here. Sometimes I actually hold it with my body. I did forget to mention that I already turned on my oven at 400 degrees. The dough, we're going to split it in half, not quite equal parts. So one part is going to be for the bottom, so you need the bottom and the sides, and the other part is for just the top. So I do. It wouldn't be 2/3 and 1/3 either. I don't know how I can better explain this, but maybe you can see it. So it's okay if it goes over on the sides because this dough has so much oil that it won't stick to the surface. I like to use this pan for my pies. This is so old, as you can see, it's a Calphalon, the one that you can remove the bottom. So now that I open the bottom piece, I'm going to save this piece of plastic because I still need to open the dough that will be covering the top of my pie. And you see it's actually very easy to work with. Now that we finished rolling the top of the pie, we're going to add the filling of your choice. I am making a shrimp in hearts of palm pie. It is delicious, and again, I do have the link for this recipe right here if you're interested. So if your dough did run down a little bit, it's fine, just pull it up again. So let's slice something like this. You don't want to add the filling while it's still super hot. This is room temperature now. So I prepared the filling. I then set it aside, let it cool off a little bit while I'm making the dough. Pull it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is add a little bit of egg wash. So this is just egg yolk. Let's use this water instead with a little bit of water. And you just mix it up. So then, just like a blanket, I'm going to press it down with my fingers where I put the egg wash. And I'm going to just trim the excess of the top of the dough with a regular butter knife. just use your fingers. See here what I mean? And then you go around. Let me give you a close-up. Ready to go in the oven. I did add some details to the top of the pie. Just make sure you place the pie at the bottom rack to make sure the dough at the bottom gets cooked all the way through. It's been 45 minutes. The pie is ready and it looks amazing. It smells even better. I'm just going to wait for it to cool off a little bit before I serve on this beautiful iguana's pottery platter. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is how we help support the channel. If you also want to get notified every time a new recipe drops, don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.